First fold, then flip. Now Samsung could launch a tri-fold in 2023. This one will be called the pamphlet. You ever received a pamphlet? Well,
I like pamphlets.
it's always a tri-fold. I remember having to do a school project. They're like, you will be doing a pamphlet.
It's like, one more page.
I was like, all right, so I'm folding. Okay. I got to line it up like before I start to fold this.
Yeah.
This thing is crazy. Come on. Really? Are they doing? I know they can. I do not doubt that they can do it. But it's going to be such a sandwich. I mean, it's going to be a stackable.
Yeah.
It's going to be a stacker. Didn't a fast food place have something called a stacker? Was that Wendy's? Anyway, that's what that is.
Mm-hmm. I guess they're not going to do the back as well. If they did the back, it'll be impressive. Like, very impressive.
But what do you need all this for?
I don't know.
This is crazy. You just got screens all over the place. The leakers claim that Samsung could launch a tri-folding device this year. Samsung has previously demonstrated this technology with prototypes at trade shows. The form factor would open the door for larger folding screens, but it just gets really wide. I don't know.
It'll be like a tablet.
Will it? Be a really wide tablet? Is there an image of it fully? Like fully? No. Not yet.
Yeah.
Early days, I guess. I don't know. I like to see these type of advancements regardless because I'm just like, oh, wow, that's different. Mm-hmm. But I don't know how practical it's going to be, especially considering the rate of adoption of the single fold. All of a sudden now you're like, and we're folding again.
And the thickness.
I know. In the pocket, that thing's a beast.
Yeah.
But you got to show it off first in a prototype version, and who knows, maybe the pocket version is able to be enhanced in some way. But then the price, the current folding one is over $2,000 Canadian. What's that? That's going to be $3,000. What am I doing here?
Well, I'm just really surprised that it's probably coming out in 2023.
Are you sure about that?
That's what they say.
Well, that's what you said.
Yeah. That's exciting.